Hey, plant fam! Ready for a plant makeover that'll elevate your space? Today, we've got 3 fantastic houseplants that are not only easy to care for, but also perfect for a DIY makeover. Let's dive in. Plant 1, Macrame Magic with Spider Plant. First up, we're giving our spider plant a boho chic makeover with some macrame magic. Grab your favorite macrame hanger and let's turn this spider plant into a stylish hanging masterpiece. It's an easy DIY that adds a touch of whimsy to any room. Plant 2, Terrarium Time with ZZ Plant. Next, let's create a mini jungle with our ZZ plant. We're diving into the world of terrariums. Get yourself a chic glass container, some pebbles, and watch as we turn this ZZ plant into a green oasis. Perfect for a desktop or coffee table. Plant 3, Painted Pot with Peace Lily. Last but not least, we're adding a pop of color to our peace lily. Grab your paintbrush because we're giving the pot a vibrant makeover. Personalize your space and let your creativity shine with this easy DIY project. There you have it, 3 houseplants, 3 DIY makeovers. Transform your space and let your creativity flourish. Which makeover was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share your own plant makeovers. Happy planting and DIYing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.